Hi everyone, I'm Donna Stahl. Welcome to Concepts Corner. Today with me I have Lynn Harder. Lynn is an agent out of the Waukee Remax Concept office. She has been with the company for how long?
I have been here just a year, actually, just over a year. Yes, at Concepts.
And an agent for?
It'll be 3 years in April, actually.
Okay, so happy anniversary.
Thank you.
So
I'm excited.
We're here today to talk about a development that's kind of like a little hidden gem, Oak Hill over in DeSoto.
Yes.
So give us the rundown on DeSoto.
So DeSoto is just this sweet little town. It's about 10 minutes from, Waukee, Urbandale, all the exits where all the grocery stores and all that kind of stuff is. So you're not too far away. You can get quite a bit more as far as a lot or a home site for your money out there. And there is a 10-acre pond with coming soon will be water features in the pond. So we have about 19 or 20 lots out there for sale. The Market Home is a walkout ranch. It is currently in framing stage, and then we also have a model home coming that has been framed, and it is also a walkout ranch that backs up to the pond. Our home sites out there start at $64,900. So yes.
So definitely can get a little bit more for your money if you're willing to drive a few extra minutes.
Absolutely.
So you're putting more money into the house than the dirt that it's sitting on. And who's your builder out there?
So we have Ben Schulte Construction, and he's been absolutely fantastic to work with so far. He is, I'm not going to say that he's on site every single day, but pretty close to every single day. He has 3 full-time crews that work for him, and so he makes his rounds, and we've had several meetings with potential clients that have all gone really well. He just really cares, and he puts quality products into his house, into his homes, and everything is not like an upgrade, I guess is kind of what I want to say.
Put it, yeah.
I mean, certainly you can upgrade in any situation, but
his starting package is a level maybe or 2 up than what you would normally see.
Yeah. Right.
So Ben's more of a custom hands-on builder.
Yes, he is. That is what he's known for in the metro. Okay. So we're excited to be working with him out there. And then you also have ADM schools, which is fantastic. The elementary school is right there in DeSoto. So
great. So easy commute.
Yes.
Larger home sites for a little less money.
Yes.
Custom hands-on builder, water feature. A lot of neat things going on.
And we have some exciting things coming that we can't really talk about yet, but between the HOA and the developer and the builder, just fun things coming for the actual development. So the market home that's out there is backing up to green space. The model home is on the pond, and we are happy to custom build for you as well. So
perfect. Well, we will look forward to doing maybe an on-site out there with you.
Yes, that would be great.
That would be kind of fun to do.
Yes.
And maybe at that point we can hear about some of those fun features that are coming out for Oak Hill.
Yes.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. Call Lynn at the Waukee Concepts office and have her take you out there and see what Oak Hill is all about and everything it has to offer if you're thinking about building a custom home either this summer or in the near future.
Right.
Great. Thank you.
You bet.